Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Show Lockdown option button in Samsung Galaxy S22 function. So right now under our power menu we have classic power off, restart, emergency, etc. We can add our lockdown button if we have set up some other options. So settings, lock screen. If we have a smart lock, we can have this function enabled. So here and at the bottom we have show lockdown option. What does it do? Display a power button option that turns off smart lock and notifications on the lock screen. But as I said, we have to have our lock screen function enabled. How does our power menu looks like right now? And as you can see, we have our lockdown mode here. As you can see. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.